Ryan Breton joining us with our forecast. Very spring-like today. That's the word a lot of people keep mentioning.
It felt that way for sure. Yeah. And you can tell that we've been in kind of a winter pattern where a day like today feels pretty nice.
And everybody was out.
Yes. I saw a lot of people out running, biking, and we got sneaky close to the records. We were 1 off in Portland and 3 off in Bangor, with temperatures getting into the mid and upper 50s in central and southern Maine. A few light rain showers out there right now. They're mostly up in the hills around Route 2, Rumford, Farmington, a few showers coming through there. And in eastern Maine, we've had a couple that have now gone east of 95. A little sprinkle or light shower about a half hour ago in Old Town. Temperatures are still mild, 51 in Bangor, 50 in Portland, mid to upper 40s inland. It will be turning colder tonight, but nothing we can't handle. We'll drop to about freezing for the overnight low. This is the system on the way for tomorrow night. And the first thing you notice when you look at it, there isn't much moisture. So it's going to be moving quickly as it comes through here. And it's really just a period of snow and rain. It'll gather some moisture as it gets here, and it just won't be a big storm for us, but enough that some places will have to plow the roads tomorrow night. For tonight, though, it remains quiet, and we'll start tomorrow morning with sunshine, a few more extra clouds in the mountains. Temperatures in the morning will be in the low 30s. We'll get into the low 40s for most of us tomorrow afternoon, and it's still sunny in most places outside of the mountains at noon tomorrow. Clouds will start coming in tomorrow afternoon, but even at 4 o'clock, we're still dry in central and southern Maine. There will be some snow showers perhaps developing in the mountains of New Hampshire and western Maine around 4 or 5 o'clock, and then this fills in tomorrow evening. Now, going into the system, it's not super cold, so I think that outside of the mountains, we may actually start as some rain, even into parts of central Maine and certainly along the coastline. And then tomorrow night, this rain-snow line will try to drop toward the coast during the night. So in the mountains and north, it's all snow. On the coast, it's mostly rain, and then in between, a little bit of a mix of rain that flips over to snow. But it moves so quickly, I'm not really sure we're going to have much time to accumulate that, even if the rain-snow line does make it to the coast. So little or no accumulation for down east, the mid-coast, and the southern Maine coast. 1 to 3 inches of snow for Lewiston, Augusta, Waterville, and Bangor. And there may be a few places that get 4, perhaps 5 inches in the mountains. It's just not a big storm with much moisture, and it moves through really quickly. So by 6 o'clock Thursday morning, the sun's actually breaking out. It's dry behind this, a bit breezy on Thursday. And then Friday, colder air starts to move in, and there will be a big storm forming offshore this weekend. All indications now are that it should move out to sea, but we may have some moisture that brings a flurry or a snow shower Friday night or Saturday. It doesn't look like a big deal right now. What you will notice, though, is the cold. Take a look at the high temperatures on Sunday. These are the actual temperatures, teens for most of us on Sunday. So the coldest air we've had so far this season moves in this weekend. Tomorrow, seas will be running 3 to 4 feet. A small craft advisory is up into early tomorrow morning. So we've got that system coming in tomorrow night with rain on the coast, snow in the mountains, a bit of a mix in between, but it's gone by Thursday morning. And then winter officially begins Saturday, and the first full day Sunday. It will feel it. We'll be in the teens.
Harsh reminder that
Yes.
that is winter arriving there. All right, Ryan, thank you.